You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French. It means werewolf in French. So how do you say werewolf in French? Loup, loup, which is French for wolf. The P is silent. Loup-Garou, Loup-Garou in English. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, English pronunciation could be as Loup-Garou, Loup-Garou from French, Loup-Garou. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.